अस्सलामुअलैकुम गाइस, वंस अगेन आई एम बैक विद अनदर क्विक ट्यूटोरियल। और आज की इस वीडियो में हम बात करेंगे हाउ टू क्रिएट अ शॉर्टकट ऑफ योर रिस्टोर पॉइंट ऑन योर डेस्कटॉप। सो in second way, it's not so far. You can just click on the Windows icon and then type system restore point, or simply type restore and you can get a restore point, and you can just open it and system store, and here you can see system restore system files and settings. Click on next and here you can go, just click on the next and restart your PC. And how you can create a shortcut on your desktop of your restore point, just right click on your desktop and click on the new, and here is the shortcut. Now here we need to type the location of the item that we want to put a shortcut as a shortcut on your desktop. So just paste here the directory of your restore point. So copy this path that is provided in the description. Just go ahead, check out it, copy it and paste it here, and then type any name. And hit enter. That's it. Now you have a shortcut restore point on your desktop. I hope this video helpful for you. Hit the subscribe button, share it with friends. मिलते हैं next video में. अपना ख्याल रखिएगा. Take care. अल्लाह हाफिज़. Bye bye.